Good morning student. Today I am going to explain you new lesson 13, and the name of lesson is Robin Hood comes for the shooting match. Before starting this lesson, in the previous lesson as I told you about Robin Hood was an outlaw because he did not get the protection of law. Due to that reason, and he was an outlaw. And why he was an outlaw? Because he hit sheriff's deer, means King Sheriff's deer. Due to that reason he was an outlaw. So let's begin the lesson. What happened next? The sheriff sent his man into the Sherwood forest again and again, and the soldier, sent his man into the Sherwood forest again and again to catch Robin Hood. But never could they catch Robin Hood and his men. And the sheriff's men did not catch Robin Hood and his men. The Nottingham people loved Robin Hood, and the Nottingham people loved Robin Hood very much. Why? Because he loves poor and hate the rich man and the sheriffs. Why? Because the rich man used to hate Robin Hood, and the sheriff wanted to catch Robin Hood. That's why he hate rich man and the sheriffs. This made the sheriff still more angry, and this made sheriff still angry for that. Why can't you catch him? He cried. His man looked at him. Then sheriffs asked, why you are not catching Robin Hood? And he looked in anger to his man. He is much more familiar with the forest, said one. We need more men. Then the sheriff's man said that he is familiar. Familiar मतलब उसको बहुत जानकारी है, मतलब उस फॉरेस्ट के बारे में, हमको उसको पकड़ने के लिए और men चाहिए. More men, cried the sheriff. If the king knew this, he stopped and stopped for a while. The king, that's it. Get ready, everybody. We will go to London. King Henry will help us. Then the sheriff said that if these things he knew that Robin Hood is living in Sherwood forest and nobody is able to catch him, for that if that thing is known by the king, so we go to the go and meet to the King Henry, and he will help us, and we will go to London for that. After a few days, the sheriff and his men reached London. थोड़े दिन के बाद शरीफ और उसके मैन लंदन पहुंच गए. They were taken to the king's court, and went to the king's court. My lord, said the sheriff, there lived an outlaw, Robin Hood, in the Sherwood forest. I have tried to catch him, but he was always get away. Then sheriff's men said, said to the king Henry, and they went to the London, and then they went to when they were in the king's court. The sheriff said that, my lord, there lives an outlaw, and the name of that outlaw was Robin Hood, and he was living in the Sherwood forest. I have tried to catch him, but he was always get away from that, and he was known to the forest also. सो क्या बोलता है, शरीफ जाता है वहाँ पर, राजा से बोलता है कि हम लोग वहाँ एक आउटलॉ रहता है जिसका नाम रॉबिन हेड है, वो शेरवुड फॉरेस्ट में रहता है. हम लोग उसको बहुत कोशिश करते हैं पकड़ने की, पर हम पकड़ नहीं पा रहे हैं. यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ हिम, सेड द किंग. वी हैव हर्ड ऑफ हिम, सेड द किंग. सम से ही इज़ गुड मैन. तब किंग हेनरी बोलता है कि मैंने उसके बारे में सुना है, वो लोगों की बहुत अच्छा आदमी है, वो लोगों की हेल्प करता है. ही शॉट योर डियर, ही रॉब्स द रिच पीपल, द शेरिफ सेड. वो हमारे डियर को मार दिया है, वो रिच पीपल को रॉब करता है. एंड द शेरिफ सेड, दिस वर्ड शेरिफ यूज्ड टू सेड टू द king. The king was angry. He asked the sheriff to see that the laws were obeyed. Then he asked the king was by listening this, the king was very angry, and he asked the sheriff to see that the laws were obeyed or not. The king warned that he would get another sheriff if the sheriff could not do that, and king warned to the Sharif that if you would not catch that man, I will I will I would make another Sharif for that. तब यह बात सुन करके किंग बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता है कि अगर वो लॉज ओबेड नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं तुमको वार्न कर रहा हूँ कि अगर तुम नहीं पकड़ पाओगे तो तुम दूसरा हम शरीफ नियुक्त कर लेंगे. सो द शरीफ एंड हिज मैन रोड सैडली होम. द शरीफ was thinking all the time how to catch Robin Hood. So the sheriff and his men rode sadly home, and the sheriff was thinking all the time how to catch Robin Hood. At last he decided to have a shooting match. He offered a fine prize, a golden arrow to the winner. So sheriff rode sadly home back, and he was thinking all the time how to catch Robin Hood. At last he decided to have a shooting match, and he offered a fine prize for that, and he offered a golden arrow to the winner. तब उसको एक उसके मन में यह बात डिसाइड हुई कि वह एक शूटिंग मैच रखेगा और वह जो शूटिंग मैच जीतेगा उसको एक गोल्डन एरो देगा. डू यू थिंक ही वुड गेट इन टू द मैच? वन ऑफ हिज मैन सेड. I know him, said the sheriff. If there is a shooting match, he will be there, but he won't be wearing his green dress, said another. तब वहाँ उसमें से एक बोलता है, डू यू थिंक ही वुड गेट इन टू द मैच? देन ही वॉज सेटिंग, क्या वो मैच में आएगा? शरीफ का एक मैन बोलता है, आई नो हिम, said the sheriff. If there is shooting match, he will be there. Then sheriff man said that if अगर वो shooting match रहेगा तो वो वहाँ पर आएगा और he won't be wearing his green dress, said another. दूसरा बोलता है कि वो green dress पहनकर नहीं आएगा. No, said the sheriff, but we can identify him. He has long yellow hair. दूसरा बोलता है कि हम उसको नो, सेट द शरीफ बोलता है कि नहीं, हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे. आइडेंटिफाई मतलब पहचान कर लेंगे, वो लॉन्ग येलो हेयर है उसके. द न्यूज़ अबाउट द शूटिंग मैच स्प्रेड फार एंड वाइड. द प्राइज वॉज अ गोल्डन एरो. द रॉबिन एंड हिज मैन ऑल्सो हर्ड अबाउट द मैच. यह न्यूज़ शूटिंग मैच का बहुत बहुत दूर तक फैल गया. एंड द प्राइज, उसको गोल्डन एरो मिलेगा, प्राइज में उसको गोल्डन एरो मिलेगा. रॉबिन और उसके मैन भी इस न्यूज़ को सुनते हैं.